Congratulations on your purchase of a Comfort Pro auxiliary power unit from Carrier Transicold. The Comfort Pro is a leading anti-idling solution for the trucking industry. We know that you are eager to take advantage of its many features and fuel-saving potential, so let's get started. In this program, we'll review the operation of the Comfort Pro system. We'll begin with an overview of the system's components and functions. Then, describe the operation of the system in both manual and automatic modes using the driver control panel. The Comfort Pro system provides sleeper compartment air conditioning, heating, 115-volt outlet power, monitors and charges the truck battery, preheats the truck engine, and is shore power compatible. The Comfort Pro system consists of the Auxiliary Power Unit, or APU, the HVAC system, which includes the Climate Control Unit, or CCU, vent ducting, and an external condenser, all controlled by the Driver Control Panel, or DCP. The engine draws fuel from the truck's fuel tank and runs like a normal small diesel engine, independent of your truck's main engine. The APU is plumbed into the truck's coolant system. In this way, when the APU is running, it provides warmed coolant to heat the truck engine. And when the truck engine is running, the truck provides heat to the APU. The APU is connected to the truck's batteries. It uses the batteries to start its engine. And the APU engine's alternator in turn charges the batteries. The APU provides power to the Climate Control Unit. The Climate Control Unit is typically installed underneath the sleeper bunk with concealed ductwork inside the sleeper cab to provide air conditioning in warmer climates and heat in colder climates. The APU also provides 115 volts of AC power to an outlet mounted inside the cab. This outlet in turn provides power to run appliances and electrical components in the cab. The Driver Control Panel, DCP, which is mounted inside the sleeper cab, controls the operation of the Auxiliary Power Unit and the Climate Control Unit. The display screen on DCP gives status information using words and icons and allows the operator to control the Comfort Pro system in either manual or automatic mode. The display window provides the following information: when the heating system is heating, when the AC is cooling, the number of operating hours on the APU, the state of the APU engine, running, off, or in the starting process. The display panel also shows what various automatic features are enabled: battery monitor mode, maximum runtime, winter watch mode, comfort monitor mode, and timer 1 or timer 2 mode. It also indicates the state of the 115-volt outlet and CCU auto reset breakers, whether power is being supplied to the outlet, or if no power is being supplied to the outlet, if the outlet breaker has tripped, if the high heat breaker has tripped, and whether the breaker that tripped has reset automatically and that the DCP needs to be reset. So that summarizes the features and functions of the Driver Control Panel. The Comfort Pro has two modes of operation: manual and automatic. We'll begin by describing how the driver can use the manual mode to operate the basic functions of the Comfort Pro system. To start the APU manually, press and release the APU on-off button once. The display shows "Please wait, APU starting," and flashes. When the APU display stops flashing, the APU has started successfully. The APU startup sequence consists of 20 seconds of glowing, 30 seconds when the ambient temperature is below -5 degrees Celsius or 23 degrees Fahrenheit. To stop the APU manually, make sure you first shut down HVAC. Then press the APU on-off button. The APU will stop and the display shows APU with a slash line. To turn the heater on or off manually, press the heat button to activate the heater. The display shows heat low. The heater will turn on only if the temperature is too low. When the heater is on, this icon appears. Press heat again to switch between high and low heat to heat the sleeper cab more or less quickly. In heat high mode, the power outlet is disabled and the display indicates off. The heat or AC will turn off when the desired temperature is reached. Press HVAC off to deactivate heating. To set the heating temperature, press the left or right arrows when the heater is on. Heat low or heat high will be displayed. The notch on the temperature bar moves. The heater will now automatically turn on and off to maintain this temperature. To turn the AC on or off manually, press AC to activate the air conditioning. The display shows AC low. The AC will turn on only if the temperature is too high. When the AC is on, this icon appears. Press AC again to switch between high and low AC to cool the sleeper cab more or less quickly. Press HVAC off to deactivate the AC. To set the AC temperature manually, press the left or right arrow when the AC is on. The display shows AC low or AC high. The notch on the temperature bar moves. The AC will automatically turn on and off to maintain this temperature. To operate the fan manually, press Fan to toggle between low, high, and off. The speed of the fan may automatically change when the heat or AC comes on, then automatically change back when the heat or AC goes off. The fan operation is independent of the air conditioning and heat modes. You can still have the fan working even when the temperature is not low or high enough for the heat or AC to come on. When the fan speed is manually set to high or low, the fan will return to that setting when the desired temperature has been reached as the air conditioning or heat cycles off. This completes our review of the Comfort Pro system and the driver control panel. Thank you for watching. Comfort Pro from Carrier.